Hi guys, hope you well. I-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-connect your cellphone sa TV or to any TV monitor sa simpleng paraan. Na-discover ko kasi, bili ka lang na ganito na pwede mong i-attach sa TV using HDMI, and then i-attach mo to sa cellphone. Like my cellphone, it is a Samsung Galaxy with a Type C, and then at the same time, habang ginagamit mo itong TV cellphone, pag naubusan ka ng charge, you can charge also your cellphone at the same time by putting this Type C to your cellphone. And then this one is the HDMI. This one is the USB type. So to connect your cell phone to the TV or any monitor is madali lang, it's very easy. Like I said, this hub, all you have to do is connect this to your cell phone, and the HDMI. And if you want to charge your phone while watching the TV on your cell phone, is i-attach lang nyo to ang charger. Tapos pipiliin nyo kung alin yung HDMI. So ito yung sa akin naka-attach dito sa one. So makikita nyo, here you go. Makikita nyo yung cursor para mag-move yun at mag-surf kayo. Dito sa cellphone, hilahin yung pababa. Makikita nyo yung use your phone as a touchpad. As you can see, nag-move na ito cursor. So pwede kayong pumunta ng internet. On your internet. And then you can surf it. Meron ditong keyboard. You can use this as a keyboard. And then other features, yung mga application nyo sa cellphone is pipiliin nyo to. And lahat ng application nyo sa cellphone nyo, pwede nyo buksan sa sa TV. Like for example, your Facebook. Ayan. Then, pwede rin yung piliin itong sa baba, which is the volume, and then the full screen. So, lahat ng makikita nyo dito is the same as on your cell phone. Like the percentage noong inyong battery is 35%. Makikita nyo dyan. So I think nakatulong sa inyo, and then ipakikita ko rin sa inyo later on yung sa kung gumagamit kayo. Most advisable yung meron ko yung Gopro, yung lahat ng videos na kuha sa GoPro, pwede nyo i-transfer using hub as this. Pero hindi ito iba, pakikita ko sa inyo. Pwede nyo ilipat dito sa cellphone nyo. Stay tuned. So guys, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pwede rin yung at mas easier na matatransfer na yung mas especially sa GoPro nyo nakuha sa cellphone nyo directly without transferring na gagamit pa kayo ng Wi-Fi. So kailangan nyo to where you can attach your micro SD and any USB, the bigger one. So ito, kuhanin ko yung micro SD ko sa sa GoPro. Para ma-transfer ko yung video ko nakuha ko doon sa GoPro. I-attach mo lang dito sa cellphone. Kapag umiilaw na yan, it means active. So, iselect mo lang yung My Files. Storage SD. So, this one. USB storage. Let's say, ito yung makakuha ko ng video sa GoPro. Marami. So, let's say this one. I want to connect your cell phone. At na-transfer ko dito sa cellphone na nandito ngayon sa micro SD. All you just hold, move, and then back, internal storage, DCIM, ilalagay ko sa camera, and then move here. Kapag pinress ko itong move here, magta-transfer na yung videos. Ayan. So, pag binuksan ko yung folder ko ng videos sa gallery, ayun, nandoon na. So, it's much easier, guys. So, tulad sinabi ko, hindi na nyo itatransfer pa o using Wi-Fi from the GoPro. So you can just put it here in your this adapter. I don't know what to call this hub. Insert this micro SD. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo. Okay.